Okay, guys, I got the doggy saved, but the cat ran away. It died. I don't know why, but we got the doggy instead. Okay, let's run around now. Good doggy. But let's go sell some crime now. Let's go get crime. Come on, let's go.
Can we please?
I'm thirsty. I'm gonna drink something.
How are we gonna make videos outside?
Let's go outside. Come on. Okay, we're outside now. Now let's go on the swings. No, shut up.
Beer?
No, I'm not drinking illegal stuff anymore. I'm a cop.
Fine, this is water.
No.
What?
Get the stupid illegal crap out of here. Let's go to the swings.
Avery, that's my swing.
Okay, we're here. Take this beer. No, I'm not. I'm a cop. Take it.
Cop, you got that beer.
Not me. Or else I'll get fired.
No, I'm the boss.
Just shut up. You
Here,
idiot.
Shark puppet, take
No. No.
You don't like water?
No, it's beer, you stupid idiot. I'm gone. I'm gone. Let's go down the slide.
I can't hear you. Hey, Shark puppet.
Shut up. Stop bothering me. Stop. Buy my beer. Yeah, I'm not drinking you ever again because of stupid idiot.
Shark puppet, help. I'm hanging on to the cliff.
No, I'm pushing you down. No, help. I'm on the cliff. It's going to take an hour. 1 hour later. Okay, it finally happened. Let's go.
Hey, lava.
It's lava. Wow, it turned into a hot tub.